here on the Lanai. I was out here last night. Following Ron from the Fam Adventures.
What's that?
Nothing. I'm taping. That's alright.
Ready?
Yep. Alright. I'm gonna go this way, I think. Maybe. I don't know.
Alright, who said 3?
Bingo.
One person. B11, who said B11? B11? 69? 67? 68? Who said B14?
Okay, we are here. This is Circle C for the kids. We got a game room there. For 12 to 14. Sanitizer there. In the warehouse. Xbox, a phone, GoPro 13, iWatch, Beats. Nice. Arcade. Some of the prizes that you get. There's a couple of games. Got some ear pods there. Popcorn tripod. Okay. There's an IMAX. Okay, Serenity's up on 15. Let's see what's playing. We've got Mario Galaxy. Okay. Guess there's one in August. Ooh, we got Blue Angels. That'd be cool. Huh. Let's see. the way up to Serenity?
No, you passed already, ma'am.
Okay.
Across cabin 6263.
Okay.
Just go to deck 14. Use that elevator.
Okay.
Okay, it's okay. First day, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, first cruise.
Oh, yeah, it's okay. Make a lot of good memories, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Take care, okay?
Sorry about that. Let's see. Message here. Okay, message to Tria. Okay. Back here. Okay. There's arcade. Huh. Warehouse. Huh. Huh. Let's see. Huh. Let's see. I'm not sure. I'll walk up this way and see. Okay, I'm taking. This is a 6200 block deck. One cruising fast. Cute. Don't know if any of our crews on the 6th floor or not. Let's see. I got some Brian and Melissa. Oh, nice. They have a little board. I just find happy birthday. Let's see, 306. Okay. I'll come to this next exit here and see. I don't know. There. Right. Like hummingbirds. Hey, is this the way to the Serenity Lounge?
I think it's closed, but you could try. So I heard somebody say it was closed, but yeah, I think it's near the. It's at the top floor, I think.
Yeah.
Well, it's elevators this way and elevators that way. I'm not sure which one is the closest.
Okay.
But you can check. Don't take my word for it.
All right. Thank you. I had stuff to bring with, but yeah. Let's see. Got some looks for thinking spots in there.